Hello friends, welcome to my humble homestead. Today I am going to I am actually going to continue making some gifts that I can add to some gift baskets for some holidays. So I'm really excited. This is one that I'm excited to make for my home as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make that easiest homemade candle that you can absolutely imagine. But I'm going to take it a little step further and I'm going to make what is known as a plague candle. So what this candle is when you burn it in your home, it's supposed to just clear the air of all the plague or germs in the air and help kill those germs and keep you healthy, which I'm super excited for, because anything that's easy and natural. So if anyone's sick in your house, you want to burn this candle. If anyone's been sick, you know how people, when I was growing up, if we were sick, we sprayed Lysol everywhere. Well, we all know the toxins in that stuff. So this is a natural way to just free the air of all those germs. And where this came from and what we're going to use is our Thieves Oil. I do have a video where I made the Thieves Oil, and I will link it below. Some people call it Mercy Oil. I know my friend Marie, hey Marie, who asked me to make this Mercy Oil for her. I didn't know what it was when she asked for it, but when I did a search, it was called Thieves Oil. I know it is Thieves Oil because how this came to be, back when the black or bubonic plague was like a big deal, when people used to die of the black plague, they would just, die, and then these people would go and they would want to steal, these thieves would come and they'd want to steal their money and the things that were on them, but it was so contagious that if they would touch them or their items on them or get by them, and breathe that, they would catch it themselves. So what they would do is they found these 4 essential oils that are in the Thieves Oil. They would put them on themselves, they would put them on like a handkerchief or a bandana, and they would put it around their face, and then they would go and they would steal their things off the dead bodies, which is kind of crude, right? But they didn't get sick. So then what happened is the judges realized that these people were not dying and they were having to prosecute them in the courts, and so keeping them from getting sick, they started using the Thieves Oil in their courtrooms. They would burn it, or they would, make sure they had it, going as scents in the air in their courtrooms. So that is where the history of the Thieves Oil came from. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a plague candle, which that way we can burn it in our air. Super easy. Now, the other thing is, if you don't want a plague candle, one of the things in here is cinnamon. So I thought, what a great way to have it for the season, right? You have this cinnamon, and cloves is another one of the oils. So it's cinnamon, cloves, lemon, and rosemary are the 4 scents. So what great scent for the season, right? If you don't want to do the Thieves Oil or have a plague candle, just do this candle. Put whatever scents you want and make these amazing burn forever candles. They burn forever because what they use is oil. So basically, instead of burning an oil lamp, you're burning an oil candle. And now I'm using Crisco. You can use any kind of vegetable shortening, which, I will not eat vegetable shortening. If you look at how long ago, but I will use it for burning this candle. It's cheap, it works, and it was a great gift. So I got these little tubs on Amazon. They were like, and I literally got this for the purpose of making these candles. So these were like $2 on Amazon. So I got 3 of these. I can link it below. I thought these were cheaper on Amazon than they were in Walmart. So that's why because I ordered them online. I wasn't going to go into Fargo. So I ordered these. Like I said, you can use the store brand shortening too. So whatever you find is the cheapest, get it that way. Then, this is how easy it is. you can just use a candle that you're going to stick in there. So if you go to the thrift stores or whatever and you just buy stick candles, you know, you can cut them to size, or like the church or the vigil candles, those are like the perfect size. Now I have these little beeswax candles, so I'm going to use these. I'm not sure, they're not super thick, so I'm hoping that with the oil that they'll burn, they should burn just fine. And then I thought I'm going to make a big one for my house because of course I want to burn this for a long time. And then I thought I'll just make little gift ones for the gift baskets. So, super simple. This is the easiest way. So what I did was I melted 2 tubs of this vegetable shortening in the microwave. I mean, talk about easy breezy, right? Then what I'm going to do is I am going to take my thieves oil and I let it cool down a little bit because, you know, and then I'm going to dump it all in there because I like a nice smelling candle. If you're really sensitive, you might not want to do that. Oh yes, oh yes. Oh, that's going to smell good. We're going to get rid of all the germs in the house. So we're going to do that. Now, you can have it this color, which is fine, but I also got some oil-based food coloring. You can use regular food coloring. Use what you have. It might just kind of separate a little bit, which is fine, you know. But I'm going to put it in the jar first and then add some food coloring because I might want to do either different colors. So I'm going to, I don't know what to do. Yeah, no, I'm going to mix it here. Should I do green? I'm just going to do red. I think I'm just going to do them all red. I think that'll be cute. Ooh, there's a lot of different colors. Ooh, I'm going to do this dark red. Look at this. Dark red. I'm going to do dark red. Yeah. Yes. Let's just do dark red here. Let's bring you down. Okay, let's see if we can bring you down here and show you. Maybe we want to do different colors. Let's do different colors because maybe I want to do like a green for my house. Yeah, I think so. Let's try. So first we're going to just pour like there and that. And then I'm going to have to cut these, but I'm going to do the food coloring because we want it to partially harden. Let's see. Do 4 of those. Then I'm going to get like I'm just not sure if I want to, let me get a wooden stick because that way if I mix the colors, I can use these here. So let's try to mix this up here. Oh, yes. That is pretty. Well, that'll be a nice little, so you can speed it up and put it in the fridge. So it just starts to harden and then I'm just I'll measure it and I'll just cut this down to here and stick it right in the middle and then let it harden the rest of it. So I'm going to do this big one. I might have to get more, but I do want to have. And you know this. Let's see, will I have enough to do one more of these small ones? We'll have to see. So it'd be nice if I got 2, and then I might have to mix a little bit more of the thieves oil. Okay, I want to do this one in green. I'm trying to keep this from getting like super oily all over my table and stuff. So I'm trying to keep it on just a cookie sheet with some wax paper. I'll put the jars that we're going to use here. But are these going to be cute little gifts so we can put like bows on them? Put them in a basket. I mean, who doesn't love homemade stuff? Sky blue. Oh, these are fun colors. Black. Oh, come on. I hope they have a green. Green! Green! Yes, ma'am! Okay, let's see. We might have to add kind of... Oh, gosh. The little... Alright, so much for not getting my hands greasy. Okay, there, we added some green. This one I'm going to use the bigger stick to mix. It's not Trina. Ooh, I might have got a little bit too much green in here. Oh yeah, that's really green. Well, this is going to be a dark, I wanted it to be a light green. Oh, that's way green, Trina. Well, you know, if they had a white, I might add a white in there. Let's see if they have any white in here. They have a little, well, I guess we're just going to have a really dark Christmassy green, huh? All right, so I'm going to let these get nice and hard for a while, and then I'm going to put this candle will be the perfect size for this one here. And then this one, I mean, I can almost get 3 out of 1 for these little ones. So I will come back after these harden, and I will show you how I do the little candlesticks. All right, we'll see you in a bit. Okay, so I did heat up a little bit more oil, and I did do 3 more small ones here. So what I'm going to do is I want to do 1 red and 1, I want to try a lighter green. I'm going to try just a little bit of green in here, and then I think I'm going to leave 1 white. So let's just do like maybe 2 drops of the green. 1, 2. How that one looks. Mine is very dark green, which is fine. You know, it's mine, it's experiment, and it'll just be like a Christmas green candle. Less is more to start out with, everybody. You can always, like now, this is barely green. So now what I'll do is I'll add a little bit more. Take 2 more. There we go, just a little hint of green. Maybe we'll do just a couple more. There, that should be enough right there. There we go. That one is definitely green. That one's pretty. Just a light green. Nice. Okay. Then I'm going to do 1 more in red. The dark red here. Do you see how easy this is, everybody? And this one is definitely a darker red than the other one. So there we go. Could probably do little swirlies in there with this oil-based food coloring too. I'm just not that fancy. Okay, now I have the other ones in the fridge, seeing if they'll get a little bit harder. But I'm going to go ahead and open up these beeswax candles. One I'm going to leave whole because it will just burn like that, right? Like that in the big one. The other one, it's going to need to go about right about here. Just like that. So that'll be about perfect. So it's sticking up a little bit. And then I'm going to use this to measure. That is almost, I think the little extra wick I may just like, so basically it's 2 small candles for 1 wick. So that's about perfect because I did 4 small ones. Alright, I'm going to go check how they are in the fridge. And then I have all these later. I've gotten these on Amazon too, but I had these so I wanted to try them. So this one is starting to harden. This one is going to take a long time because it's so big. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick it down in the middle like this. And then, oh, that's still really kind of big, isn't it? I literally... I cut it off like that because we just want a little bit sticking up. Because then once it starts burning, then all the rest of the oil will burn. Let me see. I'm going to have to, yeah, probably cut quite a bit, cut that much off on these. So these ones need to harden up a bit more before I can stick those in there. But this is what it's going to look like, everybody. How cute are those? And when this one gets done, it'll be quite a while. This one will be quite a while, but I will show you how it burns. And it'll just clean my air because it has that Thieves oil in it. All right, everyone? Super easy, great way to make long burning candles, super inexpensive, great gift or great to have for your home. Also, you can keep it for if you need long burning candles for electricity. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Be blessed and have a great day. Remember, you are loved.